In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Sienna key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a really easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries to get it done. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries, or you would just prefer to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. First step is to look up at the top of the device. You can see there's a little slot in the plastic. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just hold it loosely in your hand and twist your screwdriver. Now you can remove this back piece of plastic and we can just pull the battery out with our fingers. It's really easy. So just push on the bottom of the battery and it will come right out. I'll show you that one more time. You can actually just slide it up or push on the bottom and it will come out. So once more, this is a CR 2016 battery. Make sure that is what you're using, and make sure when you put your new battery in there that the positive side is face up. So slide it down and click the top in and make sure that plus side is facing up. All we have to do now is click the two halves of the device back together. That is it. That's really all it takes. So I hope that was nice and simple, and I hope that was a help to you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just give this video a like so it can reach other people and help them as well. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device for every make or model. And you can always check those out or visit us over at our website, fobbattery.com.